Hey guys, welcome to the 2 weeks home transformation course. My name is Anton. I hope you're keen to start, so let us go through main tips and guidelines of this program. Number 1. Always start your workout with a warm-up and finish with a cool-down. This is a very basic and a simple rule of fitness or any sports, and surprisingly too many people still ignore it or don't pay much of attention to it. That's why we have prepared warm-up and a cool-down routines tutorials for you, so now no one has excuses to skip it. Number 2. Please always watch workout tutorials and read guidelines before you start the session. Pretty often it's more about how you do the task rather than what you actually do, so details might be very important. Also try to practice all moves before you start the workout and make sure they're doable. Often we provide alternatives for tricky moves, so you are free to choose one of them. 3. Try to stick to the task. Often we provide suggested time frames or number of repetitions that you are supposed to follow. It's okay to scale it down if you feel like it, as long as you stay within the task. For example, you can lower down the intensity, go slower, or make bigger breaks if you feel like it, as long as you stay within the task. All workouts range from 60 to 80 minutes, including warm-up and cool-down. If you need more time for that, it's okay to break it in two. Just remember to warm up and cool down every time. 4. We won't need special equipment, but some simple tools like towels and rope will be needed, so check below for our DIY videos. And the last one. We know that for some people it's very difficult to get into exercise mode when they're just few steps away from their fridge or their bed. If you're one of them, please dedicate 5-10 minutes to concentrate and to get into mindset before you start the session. Please don't start your workout right after you've finished another episode on Netflix, and especially don't do the workout while you're watching it. Remember, mindset and concentration is a big part of success, and they will define whether or not you will enjoy the workout, so please enjoy it.